Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Creek channel. In this video I want to show you how you can stop your Windows 10 update. Most of the people have trouble with Windows 10 update because Microsoft publish many updates that gets lots of capacity from your bandwidth, and people have to stop this update. In this video we show you two simple steps that you can stop your Windows update. If this video was useful for you, please don't forget to subscribe our page. Let's start. Click on your Windows button and select setting, and then select your network and internet and select your Wi-Fi. Then select the Wi-Fi you connected, and then we have the option that method connection. This option is normally turned off, but you should turn on. This option limited your data plan and you want more control over data usage. That is our first step. The second step, please click on your Windows and R and type MMC. Then from the file bottom, select add and snapping. Add or remove snapping. Now find services and click on add. Select the local computer. We have three options, but select your local computer and then select an OK. And now find it Windows Update. As you see, your Windows Update is running. Now double click on this option and stop your Windows Update. From the automatic, please select disable, and now you see your Windows Update is disabled for your local system. Pay attention, if you have enabled your Windows Update, you should do this process again, and vice versa. Select automatic and then OK and select start. That is the process of stopping Windows 10 update, and you can simply do this for your computer, and you can save this setting. Thank you for your watching, and please don't forget to subscribe our page. See you later guys.